Hi there. Did you know that nearly 62% of consumers Google a restaurant before dining out? For this reason, it's important that information like your restaurant hours of operation in your Google business listing match your in-store opening times. Properly aligning your operating hours helps restaurants meet customer expectations and maximize revenue opportunities. A recent study found that restaurants that extend their hours to include breakfast or late-night service experienced a significant boost in sales, with some establishments seeing an increase of up to 25%. To set up your restaurant hours of operation, go to Setup, followed by Services and Opening Hours. Click on Opening Hours, then on Add Hours. This online ordering system allows setting different restaurant hours of operation for various days of the week. Deselect the days of the week which you want to set alternate times for. Then set your restaurant opening hours in the first box and closing hours in the second box. Click Save once you're done with these changes. To add different operating hours for different days, like the weekend, click Add Hours. Deselect the days of the week that you do not want these restaurant opening hours to apply to. Then, adjust your opening and closing hours. Click Save to update your changes. If your restaurant has different operating hours for services such as delivery or pickup, check the option labeled Set Different Operating Hours for Specific Services box. You will see all the services you have enabled listed here. The dine-in service uses the general opening hours you've just inserted. Click the Add Hours option under the service hours which you want to change. Choose the days you want to change the restaurant's hours, then set the times it opens and closes. Click Save to update your settings. Repeat the above steps for each of the enabled services that require operating hours different from your regular opening hours. In the Exceptions section, you can configure restaurant hours of operation for special occasions. For example, if you want to have different hours for a holiday, you can set up a special schedule. And you can do this well in advance, even for the entire year. This special schedule will override your normal opening times on those dates. Start by giving the restaurant hours of operation for the special occasion a name. Then, set a date or period for the duration of the special operating hours. Click Apply once you've selected your dates. You can apply these special restaurant hours of operation to your regular operating hours or to your individually enabled services. Select your desired service from the Affected Services drop-down. Click Opened to change hours for selected dates, or select Closed if your restaurant won't be open on those days. After choosing, you can add a notification message to the ordering widget to inform your food customers about the updated restaurant hours. Click Save to finalize your changes. The Exceptions section also gives you the ability to pause or temporarily disable online ordering for your restaurant. Select the duration that you want the services to be paused for, and enter a notification message that will be shown to food clients in the checkout widget. You can pause ordering for all services or for individually enabled services. This can be handy if on rainy days your riders are busy already and you don't want any more delivery orders. Simply pause the service for a few hours or for the rest of the day. Click Save to update your restaurant hours of operation. Let's take a look at how this will look to your food clients. Navigate to Menu Setup and Receive Orders to select Menu Setup. Click on the green Preview and Test Ordering button to bring up the online ordering widget. You'll notice that there is a yellow banner with your restaurant's opening hours and the message that you typed for your food clients. Because your services have been paused, food clients won't be able to place orders for now. To delete adjusted opening hours, click the X icon on any exception. This will make your opening hours go back to your regular operating hours. Predictability and good planning are key to a successful restaurant. With scheduled orders, you can organize your pickup and delivery services according to the restaurant's kitchen capacity or driver's availability. Scheduling an order makes it easy for your customers to plan their meals for their day. This feature lets you set your restaurant's opening hours so your customers can order ahead for a later time. You can define the minimum time between the ordering moment and the order fulfillment time. You can take scheduled orders for up to 30 days in advance. Scheduling an order makes it easy for your customers to plan their meals for their day. The Scheduled Orders feature also allows you to set up time slots for delivery orders. This influences how the food clients will see the available intervals when they order for later. For example, you can set up your operating hours so that your customers see 15-minute intervals, or select a larger interval of up to 6 hours. For pickup, the standard slot is 15 minutes. The Other section of the Scheduled Orders pop-up allows you to disable the Order for Now functionality of this online ordering system. This means that your food customers will only be able to order for later, and all your orders will be scheduled. If you set the minimum time for pickup or delivery to 1 day, you can take all your orders for the next day or later. Once all your opening hours settings are done, make sure you check all your online profiles, such as your website or mobile app, Google Business, Facebook page, Instagram, Yelp, TripAdvisor, and any others you might have created so that the hours are updated everywhere. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video on how to set up your restaurant hours of operation, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.